Hey, this is a yard in Montgomery, and we did it last year, just under a year ago, and we're just checking on it. And what we did here was added a whole bunch of wood chips to the yard, to the soil, rototilled it in, and then raked it out to get the paths, and added a bunch more wood chips over top of cardboard. So the cardboard was to make a little buffer for the weeds, and then there was a good 4 inches at least of wood chips over top. So we're here just checking it out, and we did a little bit of weeding. In like 5 minutes we cleared a whole area, and so we just wanted to show you like the beauty of the thick layers of mulch and how easy it is to pull up the entire root of this crabgrass. And if anyone who's ever weeded crabgrass knows what it's like, we're going right down to the end here. This area hasn't been watered all year, but it's still wet as deep down as we mulched. It's just great. So no maintenance, and well, low maintenance, this is the point. We still have to do a little bit of weeding, but compared to straight out of the soil, it's easy as you can get.